Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a 1x1 Rubik's Cube famous for being the hardest Rubik's Cube to ever exist. The things that you're going to need for this is a corner piece of a 3x3 that you don't use anymore, and the exact opposite corner piece of that 3x3 that you don't use anymore, and make sure that the stickers are clean. The cube that I actually got these two corners from have a bunch of stickers, but I was lucky enough to have these two clean. Next thing you're going to need is a chainsaw, but if you're like me and don't have one, this little craft saw will work. So, step one, you're going to lay the little piece down like this, and then you're just going to start just violently hacking at this thing like this. And it's going to be super loud and super annoying, and dust is going to fly everywhere, and you'll be pretty unhappy with the way that this is going for a long time, because plastic doesn't like to break it with saws, it seems. And now if you actually do have a chainsaw, then you're really cool. You should use that chainsaw. It's a lot more fast than what I'm doing. I'm using so much effort just to get a little corner piece, and you can already see all the dust on my desk. But after a bunch of hacking at it, it's still actually going to be tight on there, so you're gonna have to hack at it some more, and it's gonna make a lot of noise, and pretty soon you're just gonna start getting angry. So once you got it to about that, then you can rip it off, and it's fine. Now luckily you don't have to do that again, but you are gonna have to do something else. We can put the saw away because we don't need it. We'll blow all the dust away. Now the dust is gone, and I'm gonna put the saw back. So next step is you're going to take a nail file and just rub this entire thing onto it. Each side, just completely destroy. And then you're gonna do this until this corner piece is completely gone. You can obviously kind of rip at it. And if you have to, you can kind of do this if you really need to, if you just really want to get rid of that corner piece. But once it's gone, and we can move on to the more exciting part, and it's stickering it. But of course, there's more dust that has accumulated, so just gonna throw this to the side. So now it's actually kind of difficult, but unless you're a pro super cuber, it's gonna be kind of annoying to do. And I'm not actually that good at doing sticker transplants, but we're gonna try it anyway. So I see that the white side right here, I should get in frame. White side right here, opposite is obviously yellow, so we're gonna take the yellow piece. We now have the sticker, and we're going to just politely place it down right there. And I put it on sideways because on purpose, because I want to show you how not to do it. And it's still sideways, but it's close enough. Next up, blue. The opposite of blue is green, so we're gonna put the green piece on now. Same way we did before. It would be wise to invest in some type of blade for this sticker transplant, but if you're poor like me and you don't have one, then you're just gonna have to use your fingernails and stop being a burb. So, orange piece now. So now you have a 1x1, also known as the hardest puzzle in the world. Now, if you guys want, this will be very difficult, but if you want, I can make a 1x1 tutorial. This will be the hardest tutorial I've ever made. It'll be the hardest puzzle that I will ever solve on camera, but it is doable if you guys request it. Thank you all for watching this tutorial, and goodbye. I should really have just played really slow. I should just play really slow music as I just slowly put it in. I don't even know where my camera frame is. That's not it. This is it right here.